How to control another Android phone from your phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can control another Android phone from your phone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right in. So to control another phone from your phone is quite simple. Now, you'll need to have an app installed in both of your phones. So let me show you what the app is. Head over to your Google Play Store and search for an app called AnyDesk. After you search for it, you'll find AnyDesk Remote Desktop. Tap on it and you'll find AnyDesk. All you have to do is install this, and after you've installed this, make sure that this is installed in the other phone which you want to control as well. Then tap on open, or you can just locate your AnyDesk icon and then open it up. After you open up your AnyDesk, you will see all the tutorials. So let me just set it up. You can set it up. You will need to give it notification access. So let's go and give it all the access that it needs. Give it file access, and so on and on. So keep giving it access, and after you've given it all the access that you want, you will see this section right here. Now you will need to enter the remote address of the other phone where you've installed AnyDesk and given all the required permissions. After you type in the remote address, which you'll find right here in this space of the device, you can copy that and then paste it right here. After doing that, all you then need to do is you will basically set it up. You will be given the permission and you can start using that phone using this phone, and it's pretty simple. And that's how you control another Android phone from your phone. And thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.